Hello children. Today we will discuss class 4 chapter 2 computer and its functions. Before starting the chapter we must know what is a computer. A computer is a machine that works on electricity. Let's discuss the components of a computer system. It is divided into two segments. First one is hardware and second one is software. Let's see in detail. Hardware, the physical components of a computer that we can see, touch and feel are called the hardware. Example, all the input devices like monitor, keyboard, etc. Second one is software. Software is a collection of computer programs and documentation that performs some task on a computer system. For example, MS Word, MS Paint, Windows 8, etc. Come to the next topic, that is input, process and output. How a computer works. Computer follows IPO cycle. Now I will tell you what an IPO cycle is. IPO stands for input, process and output. Here is a block diagram you can see. To understand the IPO cycle, let's see some real life examples that we can look around us. We are taking an orange as input. Then put it into the mixer grinder. And we will get a glass of orange juice as an output. There is another example. Let's take a calculator. We will give an input, that is 3 plus 2. The calculator will do the processing of input, that is adding 3 and 2. And we will get the output on a screen of calculator, that is 5. Now let's see another example. You have to guess the correct answer. Put some water in a ice tray, then put it into the fridge. Now guess what will be the output? Guess it, children? Yes, correct. We will get the ice cubes as output. So children, you can practice it at your home. Now take another example. You have to guess what will be the input here to put it into the washing machine and what will be the output. And I think you all can guess the input and output here. Correct children. Dirty clothes input here and we get the clean clothes as the output. Now I am going to give you all an activity as homework. Take an unsharpened pencil and use your sharpener to sharpen your pencil. Then you will get the output. Output will be sharpened pencil. Let's discuss about input devices. Input devices are those which are used to enter data and information into a computer. For example, keyboard. A keyboard is used to enter data and instruction into the computer by typing. There are 104 keys and it divided into 4 groups. First one, typing keys, function keys, navigation keys and control keys. Next one is mouse. A mouse is a commonly used pointing device. A mouse has two buttons on the top and a scroll wheel in center. Next example, joystick. A joystick also a pointing device. It can be moved at different angles to change the direction of the device. It is used to play games on the computer. A pilot also using joystick to control the flight of a plane. Microphone mic is an input device that converts sound into a signal. Next example is scanner. A scanner is used to feed text and pictures into the computer system. It works by passing light over the image to be scanned. There are two types of scanner, flatbed and handheld. Flatbed, we place the image on the glass of the scanner, and handheld scanner, we hold the scanner in our hand and push the light on the image. Touch screen is a screen through which data can be entered by just touching it with the finger. It is very useful for a person, for example, doctor. Touchpad. Touchpad is used instead of a mouse on the laptop computers. Processing device. Processing device is CPU, Central Processing Unit. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is also called as brain of computer. All the processing work done by CPU. CPU has three parts. CU, control unit. It is most important and control the working of all the parts like traffic, policeman. ALU, arithmetical logic unit, does all the calculations such as addition, subtraction and multiplication. MU, memory unit. It stores data and information for the processing. Now we will learn. Next topic is flow of data in computer system. To understand the concept of data flow in a computer system, we must know about the structure of computer. Structure of computer, that is input unit, processing unit and output unit. Processing consists of three more components, that is control unit, arithmetic and logical unit and memory unit, that is also called central processing unit. So children, this is also called block diagram of computer. Now we will see how input unit work in following steps. Let's see the example. Use the calculator on your computer to add numbers. To add 25 plus 32. Children, you type 25 and 32 from the keyboard. Here 25 and 32 are data. Plus and equal are instruction. Let's see what happens next. CU, control unit, takes the input from keyboard keys and sends it to memory unit. For example, you can see 25 plus 32, it is input and control unit send it to memory unit. In the next diagram, the CU, control unit, takes the data 25 and 32 and instruction plus and equal from the memory unit and tells the ALU, arithmetic logical unit, to add the numbers. The MU, memory unit, sends the 25 and 32 and plus and equal sign to the ALU, arithmetic logical unit. The arithmetic logical unit then adds the numbers and send 25 and 32 and plus and equal sign to ALU, arithmetic and logical unit. The ALU then adds and sends the result 57. The CU sends the result to memory unit to the monitor, that is output device, which show the sum as 57. So children, here the work of control unit, it controls the flow of data from input unit to processing unit and processing unit to output unit. Output devices. Output devices are those which the computer uses to display the information and results. Monitor. Monitor, commonly called as visual display unit, VDU. There are two kinds of monitors. First one is CRT, cathode ray tube, and second one is LCD, liquid crystal display. Speaker. Speaker is used to hear music or other sounds on our computer. Projector. It is used to project an image on a flat surface like computer screen and used in schools. Printer. Printer is important part of a computer system. It prints the output onto paper. There are different type of printers. First one is dot matrix, laser printer, inkjet and line printer. Plotter is an output device used for producing high quality drawings like maps, layout of a building, etc. About software. What is a software? A computer program is a collection of instructions that perform a specific task when executed by a computer, like typing on the keyboard. Shut down the computer system. These all are the examples of software. Software is often divided into two categories. First one is system software, second one is application software. Let's discuss in detail. System software. System software is a type of computer program that is designed to run a computer hardware like operating system, device drives, operating system like Windows, Mac OS and Linux. Now, application software. Application software is a program or group of programs designed for end users. What is end user? That means programmer of the product. Some example like Photoshop, pen.net. You can take some general examples like Facebook, WhatsApp, Flipkart. Thank you children and keep learning.